Hello everyone, this is Sheshe and today I'm coming on to do a card process video. I'm just going to go over quickly the items I used in the video. I used this beautiful rose die. It's a rose themed card. I used this stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. Hello Gorgeous. And I made my roses with this Heartfelt Creations rose set. I don't make the rose in the video, but I do have a tutorial on my channel that show you how to use how to make the roses. I use this labeling set for the sentiment. I use some embossing powder. I normally use Versamark ink when I do that. I did use some glitters, and I used some purple glitter, but I don't have it handy right now. And I know someone's going to ask me what embossing folder I use. This is a very big embossing folder that came from Scrapbooking, Made Simple, and I think it's an exclusive one, and I don't know if they still carry it, but normally when they have stuff like this, it's for a limited time only. So if you want it, you can try and go on their website and see if they still have it, but it's a rose embossing folder, and hopefully you can see the design in the video. So I don't have a sample handy because I haven't used it yet, but you'll see it in the video when I put it on the card. Okay, sit back and enjoy the process. So here's the finished card. I did change my mind at the end and I added 3 roses. I think that looks better. I hope you enjoyed this process video. I enjoyed making the card. I think it turned out really beautiful. So thank you for joining me today. Have a fabulous day.